Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Alright, y'all. Kayla and I are headed out. Welcome to the vlog. It is me, Darkberry32. We're getting ready to run some errands, but I have to run back into the house really fast because I forgot my battery, and I can see this one's going low. So I'm gonna run back in and get a battery, but we're gonna go run some errands. I gotta drop something off at UPS. Kayla wants to go to Ulta, maybe even Marshalls, or not Marshalls, but TJ Maxx, right? Yeah, TJ Maxx. I want to go buy like either a Five Below or a Dollar Tree. I think I want to go buy a Dollar Tree because I want to do something with my linen closet in my bathroom. So anyway, I'm gonna do that really fast. I'm gonna run in here really fast, and then yeah, y'all coming along. But if this is some content that you think you would like to tag along with us on the weekend, which is what we do that by subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. So let's get to vlogging. Bye. Alright, y'all, we're at TJ Maxx. Okay, we've got me over at this jewelry counter. She's got her shades that she's buying.
Oh my god.
You're killing me.
That's my job.
Huh?
That's my job. Stress it out. Quick and shop. See, I want something like that, but I want the silver.
That
Big
one
one.
band.
I want silver.
Cute stuff. They always have really good stuff at TJ Maxx. And Marshalls. Look at the price, y'all. $25. Oh, my battery about to go out.
It doesn't have a name.
Where is
my talking?
This is Maya's. Alright, let's go. Where are you going? Oh, you going to teach her stuff? Alright, she's going that way. I'm going this way. I think. Is it there? Oh no, I was in the right direction. Ooh, I wish they had it in gray. Oh, they do. Oh no, they don't. No, they do, but how much are these? I really like this. I guess they're $1.25 for these. I want to put these in my linen closet, so let me just take a look and see what I can find. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get right now. All right, guys, yes, you can see it. It is the 4th of July weekend, and so I thought, since you guys said y'all wanted to see food vlogs, I'm going to be try to post a video on Wednesdays of different recipes that I cook. This is my macaroni and cheese recipe. I do not claim to be a chef. I do not claim to be an expert, but this is what works for my family. I know people come for folks' macaroni and cheese all the time, and it is what it is. I'm going to be brave and bold about the whole situation. This is just a 4th of July type of mac and cheese. Normally, like for the holidays, I really go all out with different cheeses, but today I decided that I'm just going to make a real simple mac and cheese, and maybe this is something that you can make for your family. I know a lot of people like to eat mac and cheese as a just a meal all in itself. You can add chicken or beef or pork or bacon or anything to this and make a real meal with this. So what I have, first of all, of course, you need your elbow macaroni noodles. I don't really care what size my noodles are, but these are just like your normal regular size. I know they have the jumbo noodles, but I'm using the regular size noodles. I have 2 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now, I love to put cream cheese in my mac and cheese because it gives it a nice bite. Like you can actually taste the cheese. And then to give it a creamier type of mixture, I use some of this is H-E-B brand, but it's basically Velveeta cheese. You always need your butter. Gotta have some real good butter. And I got salted butter because, again, I like a good flavor in my mac and cheese. I also sometimes use this cheddar cheese soup also to give it a nice creamier texture. So we have that. And then this milk here just gives it really, really good flavor. I know some people maybe use the regular milk out of the refrigerator, but an evaporated milk is very rich, and it's going to give your mac and cheese a very rich taste to me. And it also adds just a little hint of sweetness. Then you can't go wrong with sharp cheddar cheese. Like, again, I want a good bite when it comes to my mac and cheese. I want it to taste very nice and flavorful. And then, of course, some eggs. You can add about 2 to 3 eggs in your mac and cheese, and that also gives it good flavor. Now, having said that, if you want to add a little bit of salt to your mac and cheese, you can do that. I know some people that they actually put maybe even some seasonal or whatever, but normally with all of this flavor right here, you're pretty good. I do taste test and see if it's good or not. If not, I do add a little bit of salt. But a lot of this stuff has a lot of salt already added to it. But yes, add salt, whatever type of seasoning to taste, long as it tastes good. If it tastes good to you, then it's fine, okay? So right now I have over here a pot of salted water. Again, salt. You want to season everything. You want to make sure you got flavor. So I got a boiling, a pot of water that I'm trying to make boil with some salt to let it go even faster. Let me see. Did I get the right lid? Nope, I did not. Oh, I'm gonna break the lid, y'all. Where's this? I think this is it here. Here we go. So to make your water boil faster, put a lid on it, put some salt in it, it'll come to a boil real fast. This is my sister-in-law, y'all. She loves me so much. She hugged me twice.
I do not.
She loves me.
I gotta do like Caleb.
Yeah.
Hey.
How you do it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my sister-in-law who gave my brother her birthday last weekend. And there go the birthday boy. Everybody was saying happy birthday to you on the blog.
Thank you, everybody.
Oh Lord, I locked them out. Y'all, this is my niece. This is the one I was telling y'all about, that she actually has a YouTube channel. She's thinking about switching over, maybe. But in the meantime, what is your channel?
It is Mama Reed. I'm a mom of 3 and a wife, and I just do all kinds of stuff in my life, living a life as a mom.
As a mom. So. And there's one baby right here. They surprised us and stopped by, y'all. I'm in here making, y'all, as y'all will see, I am making cooking videos because y'all asked me to. I am on the deep dish, and then there's y'all friend right there, Kayla. She's always around, and so we just get all kinds of visitors. I think it's kind of cool because we thought we was gonna be by ourselves, right? Okay. All right, so we got a little egg wash here, which is just water and an egg. And you just kind of, look, just wash it over. See that? And this is what's going to give your crust a nice good shine to it. And like I said, I'm pretty much self-taught. Okay, we don't want all that much egg on there. Why is this egg didn't mix very well? We don't want all that on there. I'm pretty much self-taught. My mama, I've learned from my mama. Some people say, I have girlfriends that say they love for me to taste food because I can taste what's in the food. And I'm like, well, I can make that. And I don't know where that comes from, but I don't know. I love food. All right, so we've done the little quick egg wash. And now we're just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on top, like so, to make it pretty. So this is more for, you know, the look of it, but also your crust has a little flavor too. Look at that, you can see that pat of butter in there. Oops, that's a lot of cinnamon over there. Okay, so now we're going to take that same knife that we used to get the butter, and we're just gonna do some little slits. We got to, okay? Because we want this pie Make sure you get to that second crust. Remember, we got 2 crusts in here, so we want to make sure that we're not just getting that first one. We want to make sure that we also have the second one. I'm gonna go back here because we don't want no explosions. We want everything to go right. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, 350 degrees. This is how long you need to put it in there for. Again, I just know when it's ready, okay? And don't worry, those apples are gonna cook. It's gonna be great, all right? So let's stick this in the oven. Well, hello my berries, it's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming back at you again with another video. Cooking. I am going to make some oven barbecue baked ribs. Yes, you heard. All right, guys, here's our official taste tester. I actually got her before she went to bed. She was getting ready to take a shower and all that good stuff. So, you wanna? That's my piece. It's got fat on it.
Oh.
I know you don't care for fat. You want a fork?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're gonna get a fork. I just did the end of it. It still had a bone in it, but the bone came right out. So make sure you get a little saucy. Is that hot? Huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take my little piece like this. That's gonna be good with some mac and cheese and stuff, and those beans.
I will be able to eat more when it's cold. It's very hot, but it's delicious.
All right, guys. So again, like I told y'all, see Earl's over here doing his. He's gonna do his on the Traeger, and then I just did some just to have a different variety of rib here. In the oven. So if you guys want to try it, let me know if you do or not. I would love to get your comments. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And why not sharing? Because Karen is my name, so why not share? Sharing is caring. I shall talk to you guys later. Bye bye. All right, y'all, it's 4th of July. Well, it's not 4th of July, it's the weekend of the 4th. Today's July 1st, and we're on our way to the water park. Jordan's all decked out in his blue. Are you ready, Jordan?
I'm ready to get drunk.
Oh, because he got his Bud Light pants on. Jordan don't even drink, y'all. Well, he's starting to kind of dibble-dabble. Dibble-dabble. And Jordan, hold the thing so you guys can see my little outfit of the day. I just have on this 2-piece from Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys are interested. I really like how high it comes up. Because, you know, girl ain't got the smallest waist, so you got to camouflage it where you can. And then I got this cover up, I think in Belize, when we went on a cruise. And it was in like this market, like behind everything. You know, it was like all the locals where they were selling stuff. So I ended up getting some. I just thought it kind of went too well. And then I always try to wear this hat right here. Because it covers my face when it's really sunny, even though they say it's gonna be really kind of cloudy today and it's not gonna get as bad, but sometimes I wear this hat. And then these I think Earl got these shoes from Amazon. These are my water shoes, so I can wear these around the park just like they're sneakers or whatever. And then there's holes at the bottom that drains the water out. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And now we're getting off to the water park. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there will like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna live the good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. live the good life, the good life.